Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate cake moist. To start, select high-quality cocoa powder. It significantly impacts both flavor and moisture. Buttermilk or sour cream are fantastic additions, contributing to a tender crumb. Consider using oil instead of butter for a consistently moist texture. Also, always ensure your eggs are at room temperature for optimal emulsification, which helps create a smoother, more hydrated batter. Proper mixing is crucial. Avoid overmixing your batter to prevent tough, dry cakes. Overmixing develops gluten, which can lead to a less tender result. Bake your cake at a moderate temperature, typically around 350 degrees Fahrenheit for even cooking. Use a cake pan with at least a 2-inch height. Test for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. It should emerge with a few moist crumbs, not wet batter. After baking, don't let your cake dry out. A simple syrup brushed over warm cake layers can infuse significant moisture. Once completely cooled, wrap your cake tightly in plastic wrap to create a barrier against air, sealing in all that lovely humidity. For storage, an airtight container at room temperature is ideal. You can also freeze cake layers to preserve their freshness and moisture for later enjoyment. To avoid a dry chocolate cake, the most common mistake is overbaking. Always remove your cake from the oven promptly once it's done. Accurate measurement of ingredients, particularly flour and leavening agents, is also critical for the right texture. Ensure your oven temperature is calibrated correctly, as an inaccurate oven can lead to over or under baking. Finally, using fresh ingredients always contributes to a better, moister cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.